Ever wonder what happens when a couple navigates a tricky patch, especially with a family involved? Recently, Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly were spotted enjoying a family dinner. Um, it's got everyone talking. So let's dive into what happened. The pair were seen with their daughter, Saga, at a restaurant in California. Um, Despite reports suggesting they're done romantically, they presented a united front as parents. 10-month-old Saga was adorable in a heart covered onesie, being lovingly held by both Megan and MGK. It was a sweet sight to see. MGK showcased his signature tattoos in a black shirt and wide leg pants. Megan opted for a comfy gray sweatsuit and stylish Nike sneakers. She completed her look with black sunglasses, her hair flowing freely. Um, the couple seemed focused on family, despite the swirling rumors. Um, Megan is also a mother to sons Noah, Odie, and Journey from a previous relationship. Uh, Saga is her only child with MGK. Um, their relationship began in 2020 and quickly became a whirlwind romance. They announced their engagement in 2022, but things took a turn in 2024. Reports surfaced about issues within the relationship, leading to the end of their engagement. Sources say they haven't been together in a real way for a long time. Um, Currently, the focus is on co-parenting and settling into a new chapter. Megan is prioritizing her children and their well-being. MGK, who also has a daughter, Casey, from a previous relationship, is reportedly taking time for himself. He's currently on a retreat from his tour. The name Saga holds special meaning. MGK explained it's inspired by his partner's journey and her Norwegian heritage, linking it to storytelling. Fans initially thought the couple named their daughter Celestial Seed due to a cryptic Instagram post. It was simply a poetic caption accompanying her birth announcement. It's a reminder that even in the public eye, families navigate challenges. They're working to create a stable environment for their children. Um, they say parenting is like being a detective. You're always trying to figure out what's going on in your kid's world. And sometimes you're just as confused as they are. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time.